Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you promote your Clickbank affiliate program link on Pinterest. So once you get the link or the product that you're going to that you want to promote from Clickbank, so what you have to do is come back to Pinterest and make sure you're logged in. So once you're logged into your Pinterest and click on your profile here. So once you're on your profile, you'll have a plus icon here. So click on it. So what do you have to do? Create pin. So create pin, click on pin. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the post, so which is a pin. All right, so here what you do, so just put a unique catchy title to the product um, that you're promoting. For example, I'm just using a dummy, let's say a camera. I'm setting a cheap. All right, all right, something that's unique or catchy. So yep, and then so that's the title, and then remember that you need a photo or video for Pinterest. So it's better if you have the image of the product or the or video of the product that you are promoting. For example, I'm just using a dummy one, so that one, and then here is where you add description. You tell about your products or what you're promoting, so put the description here. So just mention there whatever you want to mention, and then here add a destination link. This is the place where we paste the affiliate link from Clickbank. So you paste the link here. So since I don't have a link at the moment with me, so I'll just bring a dummy one here. So here you just have to paste the link, and then once you're done with that, all right, right. So once you're done with that, what you have to do, you just have to click on select, and then sorry, just click on save, and that's it. So then that way you are just promoting this link and the product on your Pinterest. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.